Let's chat with Livechat. What is Livechat? Livechat is the best live chat app for your website to capture leads and close deals quickly. Interface and in use. In the messaging interface, you can see all your queued and currently active chats, just like in Facebook Messenger. You can now focus on one chat at a time. Livechat features. First, Livechat has a lot of features you can use to help your customers and monitor your support experience. Second, the chat box is very versatile. It can share files, provide link buttons and calendars to schedule meetings, or use canned responses for questions that get asked often. Third, with Livechat, you can chat with customers on all of your business's platforms. Livechat pricing plans are as follows. How secure is Livechat? Livechat's high security standard is 256-bit SSL encryption. This provides a safe and secure conversation for sensitive user data. Livechat support. The product is not too difficult to install, but support is critical for any company's success. When you click the Livechat button, you can also use the online live chat and 24-hour email support. Pros. First, it is a great product for professional websites. Second, it has been a helpful tool for connecting with customers and prospects. Third, it is simple to use just like other messaging apps. Cons. First, when the lag is really bad, it can cause wait times when answering customer questions to be longer. Second, sometimes it can be difficult to explain the situation over live chat, and sometimes resolving the problem is a little more complicated. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Digital Marketing Tools. Also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. For more information visit our website idealonlinebusiness.com. Link for the website is given in the description box below.